Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how you can easily use the split screen multitasking in your Samsung device. And first thing, to make sure that both your applications do support it. So let me open, for example, Spotify, and let me open as a second application Google Play Store. Now open the app view list and now hold the finger on your one application. Now you can drop it here, and now we've got this split screen multitasking thing. We can actually more extend it to Play Store or more to the Spotify. It's that easy actually. We can do everything here and everything here in the Play Store. So apart from that, here you can switch between it, and here you can disable it by tapping this button over here, or make it, as you can see, flowing and do actually everything. Now as you can see, it's flowing over here. We can tap it to enable it back again, and now back to split screen. To disable it all completely, you just do something like this. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.